Question 1. What is the role of disaggregation in controller-based networking? Options. Correct answer is B. It divides the control plane and data plane functions. Disaggregation separates the control plane, where decisions about how to forward traffic are made, from the data plane, where the actual forwarding of packets occurs. This allows for centralized control and management of the network, which can lead to more efficient operation and easier troubleshooting. Question 2. Which level of severity must be set to get informational SYS logs? Options. Correct answer is D. Debug. Question 3. If R1 is configured as shown, which 3 addresses will be received by other routers that are running EIGRP on the network? Choose 3. Options. Answers are B, C, and E. Question 4. A national retail chain needs to design an IP addressing scheme to support a nationwide network. The company needs a minimum of 300 subnetworks and a minimum of 50 host addresses per subnet. Working with only one Class B address, which of the following subnet masks will support an appropriate addressing scheme? Choose 2. Options. Answers are B and E. Question 5. Refer to the exhibit. Based on the exhibited routing table, how will packets from a host within the 192.168.10.192/26 LAN are forwarded to 192.168.10.1? Options. Answer is D. The router will forward packets from R3 to R2 to R1 and from R3 to R1. Question 6. What is a function performed by a web server? Options. Correct answer is A. Provide an application that is transmitted over HTTP. Question 7. On workstations running Microsoft Windows, which protocol provides the default gateway for the device? Options. Correct answer is B. DHCP. Question 8. Which command can you enter to verify that a BGP connection to a remote device is established? Options. Answer is D. Show IP BGP summary. Question 9. Which 2 statements about EIGRP on IPv6 device are true? Choose 2. Options. Answers are A and E. It is configured on the interface and supports a shutdown feature. Question 10. Refer to the exhibit. Site A was recently connected to Site B over a new single-mode fiber path. Users at Site A report intermittent connectivity issues with applications hosted at Site B. What is the reason for the problem? Options. Correct answer is D. The SR stands for a short-reach transceiver and is used for short-range applications up to 300 meters, while the LR can achieve up to 10 kilometers.